this is your channel messages for the 6th of May, Pisces. Let's go ahead and see what is in your reading for today, Pisces. Let's see what's happening for you, Pisces. We have the star card coming on first, Pisces. Okay, so I'm getting your star. You're a celebrity. All eyes is on you. People love you, Pisces. I'm not sure what you're famous for, but I'm getting whatever it is. People love to watch you in your natural habitat. Okay, Pisces? We have the Queen of Cups, all right? So I'm getting you do adult entertainment, Pisces. You're an adult entertainer. Because I see you getting off the set and then you're dressed into clothes. So I'm getting how you got to the job look very professional. You got there in suit and tie. You got to this building in very professional dressing clothes. But inside the building, there's a lot of naked bodies. We have a Tower card. Now, I'm also getting something about you finding this woman in your house. I'm getting you come home from work and you find this naked girl. I don't know if you were supposed to be visiting family, friends, where you wasn't supposed to be there. Me getting you come home and you find this girl in your house and she naked. Me don't know if she a shower in your house. Me don't know if one man bring you one house, leave in the house and say him soon come. And me getting one woman pull the door and come inside. We have the Page of Swords and we also have the Nine of Cups. Yeah, somebody never tell us that them engaged. Somebody did not tell you that they were engaged. Them take off them engagement ring or wedding ring when they meet you. Come getting you going to this girl and you no, this could be something about is you're saying to yourself, oh, it's a prostitute, it doesn't count. Bitch, your man rather fucked a prostitute than you. That definitely counts. What are you trying to say? Yeah, he fucked a sex toy. It doesn't count. He still preferred a sex toy over your pussy, bitch. That's crazy. And you think you're going to have a happy wedding. Believe me, you'll have a beautiful dress. You're going to walk down that aisle beautifully. You're going to have a beautiful ceremony. If your man is lucky, he will record the whole thing and document how I met your mother. But you know what he will leave out of the recording? The fact that he fuck on you before the wedding. And your desperate ass went along with it. Make it in your saying it doesn't matter. She's a prostitute. I'm the wife. Can you imagine your husband made you and a prostitute be in the same room where you have to say that out of your mouth? The so-called prostitute or the sex toy know her position. You're fucked up about yours because you have a ring and you still get fucked on. Maybe you're with a wealthy man. Maybe you're with an athlete or a singer. So you know that that's just how it goes. He's gonna fuck who he wants to fuck and he's going to come back to me. Bitch. Okay. Okay, bitch. Okay. What's the star card? The King of, yeah. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, your man prefer this woman. And you have to know that if him fucking her before the wedding, him gonna fuck her after the wedding. Because she know what it is. She know him coming to her for sexual gratification. That's it. He's coming back to you because unfortunately he signed a document with you. Because I'm getting something about your body. Him don't like your body, something about your body. I'm getting him liked your body first, but he meet this woman and know him. But I don't know if somebody start get obsessive over petite bodies, a small body. Me getting a man and bring you somewhere and you're naked. And me getting this woman walking and see you with this man. Me getting the man have all him clothes on, but you have all your clothes off. The Queen of Cups is clarified by the Hangman. The Tower card is clarified by the Angel. Me getting you get saved though. Somebody may want to throw you out of the building with nothing, no clothes, nothing. So me getting you protected. Now, I don't know if somebody had sex with you intentionally because them wanted them fiancé to catch them because them really never want to get married. Maybe somebody used you as a pawn in an argument with them and them girlfriends so them could have called off an engagement. Could be that. The Page of Swords is clarified by the, yeah. Somebody used you as a pawn. Because I'm getting somebody engaged. You engage. Where you do a fuck prostitute? You engage. Where you do a fuck so-called humanoid sex toys? You put a ring on a girl finger. And you and that bitch is so fucking delusional and unhappy with y'all selves. You convince yourself say him fucking another woman before the wedding would be okay. You know, like how those niggas always go to bachelor parties before your wedding. The night before your wedding, you make a stripper whine on you. I would never. You see, that's why, listen to me. If I could do it again, because I never get it right the first time. If I'm going to do it again, no, you're not having a blood clot bachelor party. I don't give a fuck who you are. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, but I'm famous and all my friends are really good and we were planning to go to. Okay, you're planning to go there or you plan your life with me? Which blood clot one? You're gonna get married to me tomorrow and tonight you're gonna blood clot strip club for fuck one more time. Tonight you're gonna blood clot strip club for met these girls who are unwed, for met these people who don't know what commitment is, for wine pan you and put that blood clot energy pan you, and you must come home the night, come sleep in my bed, or you must sleep in another bed the night, and then the next morning you know for see my face and you're gonna see me again when me in my blood clot dress. You want bachelor party with beer strippers. That you want right before your blood clot get married. You stupid ass retarded ass blood clot fiance tell you say you can't fuck one more person before you marry me. Retarded bitch. Page of Swords is clarified by the you can't fuck right before you give your life to me. You can't fuck another girl and get it out of your system. Bitch, him trying to get you out of him fucking life. Don't you see that? You think him love you so much and go and fuck one girl and then done. Oh, got all that come out. Got all that come out of me. Now I can focus on the love of my life. That's what you thought, ho? Stupid. And you're walking calling someone, yeah, she's a prostitute, yeah, she's a sex toy that pleased their man better than you. And that's why your man a pillow talk about the fucking sex toy. Go suck your mother. Page of Swords, you're the lover's card. And then after he fucks her, he's supposed to abandon her and then go back to you. And then you and him going to be parading around. Him fuck on you. What you think was going to happen? You think he was going to fuck this girl, go back to you, marry you, and the girl going to feel so bad because him chose you? Brody, your husband fuck on you before your wedding. That's laughable. That's laughable. It's as laughable as the video with the girl who beside her husband and the girl that do her face. And the husband poke the girl in her side and she You see a girl like that, she knows that she have your man. A man like that who can stand up beside him wife or him gonna marry and put him hand on another girl and poke her on her side. You see the way she take the poke? You see the way she close the thing and go back to her seat? Yeah, she know that him marrying her and have nothing to do with the fact that she can fuck him anytime. She know that. Women know that is where her power is. As in poke her, so she close the thing and run go sit down. And you see she very attentive. You see she very, because she should have been there. Not that woman. He married the woman because him had to. Who you think him a fuck when that woman is not there? Her. She knows she's very comfortable. Women will show up to your wedding knowing that you fucked them last or that you really want them, and they will watch you get married. You think the marriage gonna stop nothing? That bitch sitting down in the chair saying, look at that nigga. Him just touch me in front of him, but yo, the way how she's so comfortable, she know that wedding don't mean nothing. Him not gonna be back at her fucking door again. You touch another woman on your blood clot wedding day. All something little like that. Something as small as that as the man poking her in her side. More than blood clot there with you. Bye. More than there with you. Never. Blood clot. Wedding have to call off. The pastor now come. The cake deposit have to go take the cake and everything. The decoration, the show, everything what that call off. You're out with a woman and you touch other woman. You touch other woman. You stand up beside her while she have on her blood clot going and you poke a girl in her waist while she had the girl knows she can fuck you anytime. Duh. The 9 of Cups is clarified by bitch. The Page of Wands, yeah. So now is the engagement off? I'm getting a thing. I'm getting you get engaged to a girl, you cheat on her, and the girl that says she wants you to call off. I'm getting it too, you shame. Because you're a big shot. And you tell all of your friends them say you're engaged to this girl. And now you don't know how to tell the friend them say the girl said no. And you're shame. I don't know why she's saying no. Maybe she's fucking the other guy. No, she said no because you were fucking another girl. And you expect her to be okay with it because I gave her the ring. Kind of retarded ass bitches you're fucking. You're fucking disabled bitches? Is that what you're fucking? The bitches who are disabled? That's what you're fucking? Yeah, it's okay if he fucks her. It's okay if he fuck her one night. Because he's gonna come back to me. Stupid bitch. You a dumb hoe. You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe. You're a stupid hoe. That's what the fuck you are. I feel bad for you, actually. I'll be honest with you. I don't even feel bad. I wouldn't even feel bad if a nigga chose you over me. I feel bad for you. I feel bad for you. Look who she marrying. Anyways, let me go look for my husband. Sorry. I'm sorry. People are weird. Me, I tell you, baby, I want a bachelor party. Bachelorette party. And then me, if I go out with some girls and make some man with them blood clot, stiff dick, rub it on me. And then the next day, I'm gonna marry you. What kind of argument is that? Right after, before your blood clot get married, you and the man should have in a one house when you're supposed to be fasting together, praying together before your blood clot big day. You're gonna have blood clot strip club. You're gonna have bachelor and bachelorette party. Gonna make people whine on you and hump on you. And you're going in front of one pastor the next year and marry the love of your life. Bitch, I feel sorry for you. I'll be very honest. I feel sorry for you, sweetie. I don't feel jealous. I feel sorry for you. Because look who the fuck you're marrying. Couldn't be me. We have Mercury. And bitch, he made you sign a prenup, didn't he? You stupid slut. He made you sign a prenup before him fuck on you, didn't he? See? So you a stupid slut who signed a prenup for a blood clot rich man, and you gave your so-called, you think you gave the rich man a pass for go fuck another girl before him get engaged or marry you. And you think you're going to have a happy ending. Bitch, you sign a prenup, him going to fuck anything you want, fuck anything. If you left him, you get nothing. Stupid. I feel sorry for you. I'll be very honest with you. I feel sorry for you. Yeah, Aries, the head. We have Uranus. We have human and sex trafficking. Bitch, you're one of many. You is his personal dog. That's what the fuck you are, slut. It doesn't matter who that man pet. He might come back to you and you can smell the perfume of other women, you can see everything, and he's like, okay, I'm going to pack and I'm going to leave. Okay, go. You sign a prenup. And you met the guy fuck on you before the wedding. That is the bar where you set theme. What you think gonna happen during the marriage? What you think gonna happen when you're sad? What you think gonna happen when you and him fall out? Him gonna fuck another girl on you. You think that's something to be proud of? You get the ring, what him a fuck another girl? You think that's something to be proud of? That's why Vanessa Bling had to fucking go back into the church and baptize. Cause Vanessa Bling sang a song what said, him fuck you, but him love me. Mispretend to be my future guarantee. Him you, but him love me. Yeah, him her, but him love you. That's what you said, bitch. The last bitch who said he to you, but he loved me, that bitch had to go into the motherfucking church and repent for her clitoral sins. Shut the fuck up. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, bitch, used to bitch. I feel sorry for you, bitch. If Mo's your friend, I would tell you don't marry him. But apparently, you made me your enemy, so good luck. Political agenda. Yeah, good luck. You're there with a politician, you're gonna fuck on you every day. But not Mark Carney. Mark Carney has 4 kids. He has dedicated his life to serving the Canadian people. Mark Carney don't cheat. Mark Carney was never a cheater. Who said that? Who said that? Vivian, Mark Carney don't cheat. Vivian, you know this, Vivian. Vivian, why are you acting like you don't know this, Vivian? Vivian, you know this. Who's Vivian? Diane, you know this, Diane. Diane Fox, you know this. Somebody named Vivian. I'm sorry, I was trying to lead. I'm going to leave this here. So until next time, goodbye.